Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Singh, Associate Professor in Department of Biomedical Engineering from KSR College of Engineering. In this video, we discuss Arduino architecture. Arduino is a open source hardware single board microcontroller. We have used to sense the and control the objects in the physical and digital world. So Arduino board based on variety designs based on variety of microprocessor and microcontrollers. And the boards are equipped with set of digital and analog input and output pins. That means it can able to connect the digital inputs as well as analog inputs. So the next feature of the Arduino is have the serial communication interface. Some of the Arduino boards are having the USB communication also available in some boards. Here the Arduino boards are mostly programmed with the C programming and C++. So Arduino architecture, the Arduino programs are developed using the integrated development environment named as Arduino IDE. So this is the overall architecture of Arduino. So Arduino having the ALU arithmetic logical unit, it will perform all arithmetical logical operations. For that arithmetical logical operations, the data are separate from the general purpose registers. Each general purpose register having the 8-bit width. So there are totally 32 general purpose registers are available. The status and control registers is to monitor the status of arithmetic and logical unit and taken care of the timing control of the entire processor. Then we have two types of memory, program memory and data memory. Here the program memory is used as a flash memory which is used to store the program. So the program is nothing but a group of instructions Here the program counter used to indicate the current instruction which is to be executed. That instruction will be stored in the instruction register which is going to be executed. Then it will be decoded by the instruction decoder which is given to the ALU to perform the operations. Once the ALU perform the operation, the output data will be stored in RAM. So here we have a direct addressing, means the data are connected to the registers directly. Indirect addressing means the data are taken from the RAM. Here we have a SPI interfacing. We already discussed. We have a serial communication. In this Arduino, we are using serial peripheral interface protocol. Here, watchdog timer used for to find any malfunctions are happened. The watchdog timer will alert the processor. So we have already we said Arduino comprise of analog input and digital output lines. So in this unit we have a analog comparator to compare the analog values. So you can directly connect the analog sensor into the Arduino boards. So we have a different IO modules, then IO lines. So we have a analog IO lines and digital IO lines. The components of Arduino board is the main component will be the microcontroller. So it have a variety of microcontroller depending upon the board's models. So Atmega 328 or Atmega 168 or Atmega 8. So these are the different microcontrollers used in different models available in the Arduino. So already we discussed we have a digital pins and analog pins. So digital pins are used to derive to read the digital data by using the command as digital read. If you want to write any digital data, you can use the command digital write. So it in the pin is deriving the 40 milliamps current. The maximum current per pin will be the 40 milliamps. For analog pins, we have a separate 10-bit ADC is used for in the Arduino to convert the analog value, received analog value into the digital pins. We have a 6 or 7 analog inputs pins are available in the Arduino boards. Here we are using the power pins. We are using a 5-volt power. We are getting the power 5-volt from the USB cable. Other pins in the Arduino is available for reference voltage, then reset is used to reset the entire processor. Then we have a analog reference pin for the comparator, analog comparator. Then we have a digital ground, then digital pins. Then we have a serial programmer lines. Then we have already we discussed a separate analog line, 6 analog lines from 0 to 5. Then we have a power pin and ground pins. Then we can connect the external power supply also. Then we have a USB to communicate the Arduino board with your desktop system. Thank you.